Shevchenko hated being in the water. He hated the ocean, he hated the sea, he hated being on a boat. He obviously got badly seasick and thought this was like the curse of death, right? But Shevchenko on this expedition is almost a free man, except for being in the middle of nowhere, right? But he is treated like one of the officers, like one of the scientists on the expedition. That is, he doesn't do mean labor. He was taken on this expedition because Butakov, the captain of this expedition, the captain of the ship, said, holy cow, you've got a painter who finished the Petersburg Academy of Art right here. I need a Polaroid camera. That is, to do this expedition, I need an artist who's going to draw everything we see. And I got this guy here, and he's just wasting his time. No, he's coming with me. And the commander of the fort said, oh, okay, what do I care? Right? So Shevchenko went for 2 years to the Aral Sea, and then came back in late 49. And in 1850, he is still finishing up his duties from this Aral Sea expedition and living like a free man.